name's Craig. I'm with FLOORZZ.com. Today I'm going to be talking about Villa Borghese wood made by Bella Cera. This is a true French oak, making it harder on the Jinka scale than some of our U.S. grown oaks. It has a 4mm live sawn veneer, and it gives you 3 different grainings on it. A plain, a quarter, and a rift grain, and each of these grains are distressed by hand, giving it a tremendous authentic look. The wood is also coated with an aluminum oxide, one of the toughest top coatings in the industry as far as scratch protection and wear protection. It is also protected with a UV inhibitor, protecting it against the damaging sunlight. If you do have any questions about this particular wood or any other woods or tiles that we offer through FLOORZZ.com, please email us or give us a call at 833-FLOORZZ. Thank you.